Hello there, everybody. So what we have here today is a package from Dell again. They keep sending me stuff, and it appears that, they're just going to keep sending me stuff off and on. I've had it for quite a few weeks, actually, and haven't bothered to open it. So we're going to find out. From what I've seen is it looks like it's a mouse of some sort. And so they send me stuff. It don't even cost me anything. Just I guess it's what happens when you buy stuff that's pretty pricey there. And so we'll see what they sent us. Let's find out. So whenever they send you something in the mail, it's like, So, Alienware and Dell, they sent me this, and this is how it comes usually packaged. They give you this strange material. It might be alien material. I wonder if that air is any good. Can we taste some of that air? It might be good for you. Okay, so apparently there's a package within a package. More packages. Okay, so just kind of seeing here, apparently there's something with batteries, and I mean, it is what it is, right? So as we get in there, yeah, it looks like a mouse. It's probably about what that is. And sure enough, an Alienware mouse. So it looks like, they sent me the black version, the dark moon one, if I'm correct. Is that what it is? What does that say? So, wired and wireless, that's what I like about it. And it's the same thing as this mouse right here. This mouse here, as you can see, with the Alienware Command Center hooked up and running, you can change the colors of the sides, the head, the line up here. You can have it alternate, have it flash, have it do whatever you want. And that's just how it is. So let's open this package and see what we got. Let's see here. Not easy to open things and hold this at the same time, but I can make it happen one way or the other. So, they always seem to do strange things. Side box art is really cool. So they seem to have a lot of abilities there. It says 350 hours of battery life, huh? Because it's rechargeable. I've never used the wireless feature, but it could come in handy if, say, you're playing on the couch or something. You really want to lay back or something. I always prefer wired everything, though. Command Center, Alien Command Center. So, looks pretty cool. Side box art. And then they have this tab you got to pick up on in order to open it, which is, it's not going to be worth anything anyways if you try to keep it and hold on it, because they're just going to keep coming out with different versions. And it's not like collecting comic books, It is what it is. So, apparently in here, it comes with the most awesome looking mouse here that's really stuck in this hard plastic here. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. The plug-in goes right in here. That's where you plug it in, and you got to use a flashlight to make sure you don't plug it in upside down. It is shaped kind of funny when you go to plug it in. As like with this mouse here, when you go to plug it in, as you can see, it fits perfectly around the seam, and it looks like it's almost part of it the way it fits in there. So it's the same concept. So they sent me the black moon is what they said. It's strange they didn't charge me for this, so I guess it's free gear for the day, huh? Nice. I have a lot of Alienware computers and a lot of Alienware stuff, so I guess that's what they do. Then they send you this little thing, and then in here, once again, right about here, let's see here. Here is a little extension connector of some sort to go to USB. If you have to change around stuff, and it says Alienware on it, pretty cool. Then you got the cable down here, which fits right in there, but like I said, it's shaped a little funny and it's very small, so when you go to plug that thing in, you better make sure you plug it in properly. You know, I've seen people jam them in there and it'd still light up, you know. But that's it. That's all that's in the box there. It's like this case here. And then in here, it's either going to be stickers and instructions, warranty information from Alienware. Did I get any stickers? No stickers? No free stickers? Man, kids love stickers. If you're doing anything, you should always have stickers. And then a little card, hey, go here to check out this. You know, go here. And then they gear up, throw down, blah, blah, blah. So, obviously, you know, it is what it is. It comes in a little pouch. It's really neat, you know. Not too sure what that's all about. Some sort of foreign language, huh? Comes with a little Alienware pouch made out of some sort of strange paper. It's not a normal type of paper. It's almost like recycled paper with plastic in it. You know, it feels kind of weird. But it could just be paper. Who knows? Anyways, so no stickers in the instruction manual. And pretty neat little mouse, if you ask me. You know, will I use it? I don't know. I like the side buttons. The top is fully functional and the wheel is good. You can set the wheel speed, high, low, all that different stuff. And like I said, watch out whenever you go to plug that thing in. You got to make sure it's plugged in properly. It's almost like it's made in China, which it probably is. And, you know, I'm sure I'll find that on there. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, you got the model number and everything. I don't know. Yep, right there, made in China. You know, will I ever use it? Probably not. I've got a lot of them. I've got a lot of mouses. Okay. I've got Alienware mouses from 2008 at the house. And I loved them so much, you know, 2010, 2012. I have like almost every year they make of Alienware mouses. I haven't made any videos on them, but I'm telling you now, I've got a lot of them, and I made sure they're nice and clean and put away. In fact, I saved one of the boxes of the old Alienware one. It was clear. It was like see-through. Like, we didn't have paper like this. It was like clear, translucent. I was looking at it the other day, and I'm like, I'm wondering if I should have a little video on that. I bet nobody has a full set, you know. It's almost like collectors. But like I said, you know, with the Alienware mouse, it lights up in all different ways. Pretty cool. If you're getting a mouse, it's very versatile. It works very well, and it glides nice and smooth, no problem. And this cable that they're using is braided real nice to where it just doesn't, you know, you could hit it with a vacuum and it ain't going to damage it, but who does that, right? Like I said, Alienware keyboard here. It's nice. You can change the colors of each individual key. You know, you got the alien head that lights up. You got the Alienware stuff. The only thing I wasn't happy about with the Alienware computer is that this didn't light up and say Alienware when they used to. You know, you still got the alien on the back that lights up, which is really cool. But like I said, here we have another Alienware product. They sent it to me, and I think it's most awesome. I will maybe use it in a couple years, or maybe when this one breaks, you know. I've got, like, I literally have 3 of these white ones, literally. And I always thought it was cool because right here, it's like normal plastic. You come down to here and there's this rubberized coating, and the same thing is on this, and it's kind of nice. It feels nice, you know. But if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll let you know. All I know is I just have a lot of these mice, and they sent it to me. It's probably because I buy so much Alienware stuff. They're like, here you go. And I'm doing a product review on it. It's nice. They work great. I've never had any problem. I would say if you're buying a mouse for any computer, you should probably buy this one, to be honest. I know there's a lot of options out there, but those cheap $20 ones that you buy on Amazon, they're not really that great. They're real cheap China plastic. This is more quality China plastic. So, but the other thing is this usually goes anywhere from 40 to 80 bucks. And Alienware mice used to be like 100 or more back in the day, because I still have the receipt with my other one, and the keyboards were expensive and the mice were expensive, and it seems like these ones have a deal going on Amazon and on Alienware's website for like 50 bucks or something. So I mean, you're getting a premium mouse that you can charge with this and detach it, go sit across the room and play whatever you want, hook up the computer to the big screen, and do whatever. Have the mice across the room. It picks up the signal. I've tested it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Till next time.